Wow, crispy. Tingnan mo naman. Ayos, dumating na yung order ko na lechon belly from Uncle Pinoy. Ito na yung order ko, guys. Tingnan natin. Ito na, i-unbox ko na siya. Tapos ito yung loob. Tingnan nyo, may free magnet. Tapos may letter from Uncle Pinoy. And then meron siya silang instruction kung paano lulutuin. And then ito yung free na Mang Tomas. May dalawang pack na maliit. Tapos, ito na yung loob guys ng 1 portion na 1 kilo ng pork belly. I-tap to dry ko lang yung skin guys para ma-achieve yung crispiness ng skin. Tapos lalagyan mo lang siya ng oil pagka before mo ilalagay sa oven. Ayan na, ilalagay ko na siya. So, I have to take it like maybe 30 minutes. Ito na yung lalabas niyan. Ang sarap. Ito yung sasawa na ginawa ko, guys. Naku, mapapa-only rice na naman ako nito. Ang sarap yun. Miskin.
Not going to waste this opportunity.
So we need to get this right.
We do.
Sassy, and from millions of other parents